may not be on talking terms, but Sallu Bhai doesn't mind referring his friend turned foe's name again and again. On Salman's reality show Bigg Boss 7, when discussions were around contestants and their snore, Salman could not stop himself from revealing that Shah Rukh Khan snores the loudest. It was during the shoot of Karan Arjun in 1995. SRK and Salman, along with Sohail Khan, Bunty Walia, and others, were in one room when King Khan dozed off and started snoring. Initially, everyone found it funny. However, it became difficult for them to sleep. At around 3 a.m., the entire gang pushed SRK off the bed, which made him lose his sleep. That's when everyone could sleep peacefully. Now, only if those fun times could return in both the Khans' lives.